On a random day, random things happen. But sometimes there's no surprise to things. You could just tell from the beginning that disaster is about to happen. Like this bro over here.
I have no idea what could advise him to do what he's about to do. I think he needs to change his family because clearly his family just don't love him. They wanna see him getting embarrassed. Okay, let's see what happens.
Fantastic. That's what happens if you cannot think. Basically, if you cannot weigh in on the problems ahead, this is where you end. The laws of Newton are very, very important, particularly the first and the second law. Now, if he says an object remains at rest or continues to move at a constant velocity, unless acted upon by an unbalanced net external force. This means if net is zero, acceleration is zero. But this bro right here didn't know that, basically. He found out in a hard way. Let's take a look. This is where actually he remembered the first law of Newton. Unfortunately, there was no turning back. Sorry, bro, you didn't know. Or maybe you forgot. So, on a random day, random things happen. Now, this lady over here fails to understand the second law of motion. Newton's second law of motion, law of force and acceleration. She failed to basically understand that. Now, if the law says the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force acting on it, inversely proportional to its mass, commonly expressed as F net is equal to ma type things, she had to find out a hard way. You see, science and mathematics is very, very important. And sometimes you should know where to hide and when not to hide. Like we are not expecting a surprise out of the blue because you find a killing an old lady. All people are not willing to be surprised. Hello. Hello. You see, science and mathematics is very, very important. And then when you misjudge your speed and the object in front of you, going back to Newton's law, this happens. And then this happens again.